Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of industries that have the potential to create billionaires. In this video, we'll explore 15 different sectors that have propelled individuals to the billionaire status. So, without further ado, let's jump right into it. Engaging animation of a scrolling list appears. Technology. It's no surprise that the technology industry tops our list. Companies like Apple, Microsoft, and Amazon have produced countless billionaires due to their innovative products and services. The rapid advancements in this sector have created enormous wealth for those who are able to capitalize on its growth. Images of technology products, software development, and tech campuses. Number 2. Finance. The finance industry is known for its ability to generate billionaires through various avenues such as investment banking, hedge funds, and private equity. Icons like Warren Buffett and George Soros have made their fortunes in this field, utilizing their financial acumen to make strategic investment decisions. Wall Street, stock market graphs, and images of famous finance personalities. Number 3. Real estate. The real estate sector has consistently produced billionaires due to the lucrative nature of property investments. Visionary developers like Donald Trump and Sam Zell have amassed significant wealth by building and managing large-scale real estate projects. Visuals, luxury houses, construction sites, and skyscrapers. Number 4. Energy. As the world's demand for energy continues to rise, individuals involved in the energy sector have seen exponential growth in their wealth. Renewable energy entrepreneurs and oil magnates have established themselves as billionaires in this industry. Solar panels, wind turbines, oil rigs. Number 5. Entertainment. From Hollywood celebrities to music moguls, the entertainment industry has been a consistent source of billionaires. Through film production, music labels, and talent management, individuals have achieved staggering wealth and fame. Movie scenes, red carpet events, concert footage. Number 6. Healthcare. The healthcare industry has seen tremendous growth in recent years, driven by advancements in medical technology and an aging population. Pharmaceutical companies and biotech entrepreneurs have made billions by developing groundbreaking treatments and drugs. Hospital scenes, laboratory equipment, and medical breakthroughs. Number 7. Retail. Retail giants such as Walmart and Amazon have created immense wealth for their founders. E-commerce has revolutionized the retail sector, providing new avenues for entrepreneurs to build billion-dollar businesses. Visuals, shopping malls, online shopping interfaces. Number 8. Manufacturing. The manufacturing industry has been a driving force behind the global economy, and successful manufacturers have reaped the rewards. From automobile production to consumer electronics, individuals who have established successful manufacturing companies have become billionaires. Assembly lines, factory machinery. Number 9. Fashion and luxury goods. The fashion industry is known for its glamour and excess, and it has produced billionaires in the form of fashion designers, luxury brand owners, and entrepreneurs who have built global fashion empires. Fashion shows, luxury brands. Number 10. Telecommunications. The telecommunications industry, encompassing mobile networks, internet service providers, and satellite communications, has transformed the way we connect and communicate. Entrepreneurs who have successfully navigated this industry have seen their fortunes skyrocket. Cell phone towers, satellite dishes. Number 11. Sports. The world of sports has created numerous billionaires, from professional athletes to team owners. Successful athletes, such as Michael Jordan and LeBron James, have not only made a fortune through their sports careers but also through endorsements and business ventures. Team owners, like Jerry Jones of the Dallas Cowboys, have capitalized on the popularity and profitability of sports franchises. Athletes in action, sports stadiums, team logos. Number 12. Food and beverage. The food and beverage industry is another sector that has the potential to create billionaires. From restaurant chains to beverage companies, individuals who have established successful brands and captured the taste buds of consumers have seen tremendous financial success. Notable examples include the founders of McDonald's, Coca-Cola, and Starbucks. Delicious food, restaurant interiors, beverage production. Number 13. Transportation and logistics. The transportation and logistics industry plays a vital role in global trade and has created billionaires through various avenues. Shipping companies, airlines, and logistics providers have seen individuals rise to billionaire status by capitalizing on the movement of goods and people around the world. Examples include entrepreneurs like Richard Branson and Elon Musk. Cargo ships, airplanes, warehouses. Number 14, media and broadcasting. The media and broadcasting industry has been a powerful force in shaping public opinion and entertainment. From television networks to streaming platforms, individuals who have built successful media empires have accumulated vast fortunes. Media moguls like Rupert Murdoch and Oprah Winfrey are prime examples of billionaires in this industry. Television sets, newsrooms, streaming platforms. Number 15, pharmaceuticals and biotechnology. The pharmaceuticals and biotechnology industry is at the forefront of medical advancements and has the potential to generate billionaires. Companies involved in drug development, medical research, and biotech innovations have created immense wealth for their founders and investors. Notable individuals in this field include entrepreneurs like Bill Gates and Patrick Soon-Shiong. Laboratory research, pill bottles, medical breakthroughs. And there you have it, our exploration of 15 industries that have the power to create billionaires. Each of these sectors offers unique opportunities for individuals with vision, innovation, and business acumen to achieve incredible wealth. Whether it's technology, finance, real estate, or any other industry on this list, the path to billionaire status requires perseverance, strategic thinking, and a bit of luck. Host standing against a backdrop of all 15 industries. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the industries that make billionaires. If you found this video informative and inspiring, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more content. And as always, feel free to leave your thoughts and comments below. Until next time, stay motivated and keep chasing your dreams.